What's up, everybody? That was What You Gonna Do by Hell's Addiction. Before that was Waste of Time by A Toy Machine. Before that was Beck and Call by Sundressed. And the first song I played tonight was Shiver Shake by Royal Hoax. Speaking of Sundressed, they have a show Saturday, March 5th at the Rebel Lounge in Phoenix, Arizona with Naked Walrus, Adult Feelings, and Golden Goat. The doors are at 7 p.m. and pre-sale tickets are $8. A Toy Machine has a show on Saturday, March 5th as well, at the Viper Room in West Hollywood with Craterface, Flake, Besieged by Demons, and Devang. Tickets are $10 and it starts at 7:30 p.m. We keep it rolling right along. Next up we have Plastic Cheese by Jesus and the Dinosaurs.
Don't tell me that you're good
What's up, everybody? That was Restless Heart by Dead Till Dark. Before that was Race Car Woman by Cud, Chained Under Death. Before that was Plastic Cheese by Jesus and the Dinosaurs. I want to give a quick shout out to Tri-City Local Music Radio, who is going to be basically, I guess, taking my show and uploading it on their podcast and streaming it on their online radio station or whatever. So, big shout out to them. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. It's awesome to have other people, support me like that, wanting to air my show on their show, which is hella cool. Anyways, keep it rolling right along. This is Send You Back by La Name.